here we are at Wagner Cafe. Take a look at all the plants and all the other decorations, landscape and what have yous they have there. The more you look, the more interesting things that you'll see. It's an interesting fact that I just found out na yung mga some cafes here that we've been to, isang tao pala ang nag set up ng mga landscape and interiors. So I've already uploaded two of the cafes that we've been to na isang tao lang ang gumawa ng landscape, and it's the same person who did this one. It's a friend siya ng friend namin. Actually, it's nung pumunta kami dito, it's my first time to come here. That certain friend, they had mag-meet sila ng interior designer. So interior designer, landscaper. So yan, dito nag-decide na mag-meet, and we're excited to join and meet with them kasi it's my first time na to visit this place, and yan, so I get to show you what you can see there. Yan, ang daming details, ang daming plants, ang daming interesting things na makikita dyan na it's not, siguro for me, it's not everyday that I see some of them. Nakikita ko lang sa mga videos, sa online. So there you go. Yan. So when you come here and dine, it's by reservation. You cannot just walk in. But later on, I'll show you the cafe kung saan pwede kang walk in. For this one, it's a private, for private occasions, kaya for private dining sa kailangan ng reservation. So enjoy the rest of the video! And so we are now entering the cafe portion of Wagner. So it's may mga masks, and ang galing nito. I like this one, made up of certain pieces of metal, I think. Made it into a sculpture like that. Yan, pati yan, mga gawa sa utensils. Ang daming pwedeng makita dyan sa cafe mismo. Yan, you can see, yan yung wall na paakyat dito sa area na to. And the seats are comfortable. Maganda siya na, tahimik actually dito sa place na to. So it's away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Although wala namang masyadong view dyan, but it's it's still a nice place to enjoy a cup of coffee. Oh yeah. So eto, Wagner is a nice place to enjoy an intimate and quiet moment kasi nga hindi siya ganun kaingay. So this area, pwedeng mag-walk in ang mga guests. Ayan, what you see flashing on the screen, yan yung dalawang cafe na gumawa ng interior design and landscape ng mga yan. It's the same person who did this one in Wagner. So Pinderella's Kitchen, we've been there 3 years ago. While Man Absol, we've been there 12 days ago as of the creation of this vlog. So ayan, I'm really not sure kung ano yung official na title niya, kung interior designer ba or landscaper or what else. Pero yan, because I don't know him personally, namimit ko lang siya through common friends. And he's also I know him as a host and a TV personality locally. So, yan. Anyway, the details of Wagner and the interior designer and landscaper will be posted in the description. So, you can check those out. So ayan yung video na to, sa last part ko na nilagay kasi ang gulo ng pagkakakuha. The moment that I thought I was capturing a video, hindi pala. So yung pag-start-stop ng pag-record ko, mali-mali. So ayan, magulo siya. But anyway, thank you so much for your support. God bless.